TrueCar Review app. The pros, the cons. Buying a car can be stressful, but the TrueCar app promises to simplify the process with pricing transparency and dealer connections. But does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is accurate pricing. Most people get this wrong by assuming car prices online are inflated or outdated. TrueCar shows what others have paid for the same vehicle in your area, giving you a realistic range for negotiations. The app also allows you to compare different makes and models, use certified dealer inventories, and check incentives or rebates. Another advantage is convenience. You can request quotes directly through the app, schedule test drives, and even pre-qualify for financing. Notifications keep you informed about price changes, new inventory, or special promotions, helping you act quickly in a competitive market. However, there are cons. Some users report receiving multiple calls or emails from dealers after submitting requests, which can feel overwhelming. Pricing and inventory may vary slightly from what is shown in the app, so a visit or call to the dealer is still recommended. Additionally, advanced negotiation tips or in-depth financing calculators are limited compared to using a dedicated website or financial advisor. In conclusion, the TrueCar app is a helpful tool for research, price comparison, and initial dealer contact. The surprising truth is that while it saves time and improves transparency, final purchase decisions still require careful verification and personal negotiation. For anyone in the market for a new or used car, TrueCar offers valuable insights and convenience, but pairing it with real-world dealer interactions ensures you get the best deal.